Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Diego with Sibos Mobile Car Wash located in Columbus, Ohio. And right here with me is the new Bissel Pet Pro. We're gonna unbox it, we're gonna test it. This is the extraction machine. I ordered it from Amazon. I think I got it on a pretty good deal. As you can see right here, $119.99. It says 25% off, so regularly is like $160. This is the actual box, and as you can see, it's not that big, it's pretty small. So I'm thinking that the machine is gonna be a slightly smaller. So here it tells you the attachments it comes with, because the machine has some attachments and I think a solution cleaner right here. Little manual. We'll have the first attachment. Second attachment, this is the head attachment that we're going to use the most. And here we have a crevice tool. This is for a vacuum. Mostly you will see this most of the time on vacuums. I don't know why you got this, but we got it. Alright, now here is the machine itself. There we go, look at it. Brand new, guys. Check it out. Wow, shiny. Very, very shiny. So the machine looks a lot like the Hydro Steam one. I haven't tried or used it, but like the base, the design, everything looks to be about the same, except obviously the other machine you can put a steam on it. Really gonna help get the stains out easier and quicker. And all right, so it looks good. All right, so for comparison, this is the old one. This model, the one that everybody knows, everybody uses it. It's really good. This is the Little Green Pro. This is the Little Green Pet Pro. I've been using it a lot, and you can tell by the hose. This is the thing that I didn't like about this one. The hose is too stiff. Like the material, it just opens up. I mean, I had a lot of trouble with it, and I just like to put it back. It doesn't stay, and also the length of the hose, I find it to be short. So I had to keep moving the machine everywhere I was on extract, instead of just keeping the machine at one place. Alright, so now we're gonna check the length of the hose on this one. Oh yeah, this is way longer. It's definitely way longer. I don't know if you guys can see, but oh, this is so much better. So in this one, like, you can swivel it, you can move it, and the hose will not get a stress, it will get like really stiff and tight. So that's the reason the other hose on the older one broke, because I will, as you use it, I didn't do this. Look, I really like it, and it's just better, way better. So now we're gonna put some water on it, and I have some carpets right here. These carpets come from a BMW X3 that I'm detailing for my sibling. As you can see, they're very dirty. This will definitely put the machine to the test. Alright, so we have filled it up with water. Alright, so now help in the garage door, because we're gonna be making a lot of noise. We're gonna clean those carpets. When I use the vacuum, drill brush, chemicals, all that good stuff. And of course, we're gonna finish it with the little green Pet Pro machine. Alright, so we're gonna start with the vacuum, remove all the dirt from the carpets before we apply any chemicals or even start with the extraction process. The chemical that I like to use is called Sapet by Superior Products. One of the best stain removers on the market. I highly recommend it to you guys if you wanna try it out. The only place you can order it is from their website or if you go to O'Reilly's. Now finally we're going to start with the extraction process. I'm pulling the trigger on the spray nozzle. I'm removing both the chemical and also with the water I am shampooing this carpet. I gotta say the handle feels very good on the hand. The suction power is very good as well. Now I am going to use a microfiber towel just to wipe the carpet off. Now for my last step is just to spray this finisher by PNS. This is gonna help neutralize all of the remaining chemicals that we have. And here is the final result. I like it so far. It looks very clean. I'm happy with it. And here I'm going to show you the self-cleaning mechanism that this machine has. It's very useful. So you just switch it, press power it on to trigger the spray nozzle, and the water is going to start sucking it up, cleaning all the hose, making sure it's clean for you to ready to store it. And when it's ready for the next job, it's gonna be clean. Alright, this is it. I like this machine because it's a lot quieter than the other version. I will be uploading more videos soon, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.